Everything you use, TikTok, Netflix, banking, hospital, stocks, trading, whatever, they all run on a cloud. And if you give me a few seconds, I'll show you how I just made that obsolete. So a cloud is essentially a server far, far away that's handling all the operations of your system that you're using. And that's a problem because every time it has to think, it has to reach out to the server in God knows where, and then wait for a response and then act. And it wastes time and money, and energy for one. And cloud-based services charge per operation too. So like it's the tenth of a cent, which is small, but it adds up real quick. At scale, you're talking about millions of calls per day, and that adds up. 10,000 operations, it's like $10, right? Every minute, every hour, every day, and then boom, your bill is exploding, right? So I built something that is different. It's a deterministic engine that operates and processes operations instantly. No cloud calls, no lag, no server bills, no need for a bunch of expenditure of energy or RAM or this or that. It's a completely different deterministic system built from the ground up with pure math. And so I'm going to do a demonstration for you guys to show you exactly how it looks, and why it matters. So I've got a notebook open here, and I've got my code already pasted in the cell and hidden for my intellectual property protection, so you guys can't just go reverse engineer it. But I'm going to run the cell, and you'll see in real time 10,000 operations producing at ASAP, and you'll see all the input right before your eyes. Okay. 2,000 so far. 4,000. 6. 8. Okay. Performance summary. Total ops 10,000. Ops per second about 700. Operation time 0.1 millisecond. 15 milliseconds. CPU average usage about 11.6%. RAM average usage 7.6%. Peak at 8. This is because it didn't like the emojis I put in there, but that's fine. You can see at the milliseconds spikes to about 3 or so at the very beginning, and then it kind of just mellows out across the entirety of it. And you can see here the CPU usage, the RAM usage, it's all really stable. Estimated cost comparison, right? So for 10,000 apps, traditional cloud infrastructure would have you about $10 for that. Mine is $1. So it's a 90% savings on all cloud infrastructures using my systems here, which is why this is so important for anyone who is in this avenue, in this space, who would like to be the hero of their space. But this is much bigger than that, you know. Right. So instead of instead of scaling the cloud and making it more cloud space, more cloud speed, this and that, this is essentially replacing it, which is going to be a huge paradigm shift amongst many other things. This is the difference in healthcare and trading and pharma. This is going to be a really big move forward. You know, they said the future is centralized. You know, it's deterministic, it's local, it's instant. I'm already going to be working with a group. Well, we'll find out. We're going to have a meeting really soon to talk about this. But this is the future. And if you want to be on board with the future before it happens, you can follow me and like this, comment, share it. If you're in the field, you know what this is. If you're not, enjoy watching this. But just keep your eyes open for the future. This is going to be big. But yeah, follow the journey. You'll see how this grows and how things change as this gets more exposure. And I love that you guys are a part of this with me. This is a long time coming, and it's sort of an accident that we got here, but it turned out for the best, you know. So I'm really thankful to be in this position. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Jackson, and I'm gonna put this on my YouTube as well. My YouTube is Jax Lab, same as my name here. Yeah, we'll move forward. If you're interested, if you're a company and you want to utilize this, or you'd like to partner, or whatever it may be, my email will be up here, quantumconduit@proton.me, and feel free to reach out. Otherwise, thanks.